Hello, what's up guys? Hey, so I just bought some black Silverado badges for my truck. Well, I bought 2 sets of Silverado badges for the tailgate, and before I return them, I want to show you what I don't like about them. So let's start with the first one that I ordered here. So first thing that's awesome is that this came from a top baited seller. So here's where it came from. I guess that would be the one. Return services. That's where that it came from. Alright, bear with me. Okay. So I got it open here. So that's how it arrived. Alright, so here's the SKU. Look up that part number. That's a GM OEM part number. This is crap, man. This is crap. So let me show you what the issues are. Well, for one, that makes it difficult to install. So it's probably tough to see. However, the cuts here are not straight. So when you're trying to do this badge, it's not going to be straight. Like, let me see here. Try to get this. See how the A, there's the gap on the bottom? This would take so much work to get straight. So I went ahead and filed for a return. See, it came, look, here's the box. So I filed for a return for that one. Okay, so then I bought another one. And this one took over 2 weeks to get. And look at this. And yes, I did buy from a different seller. This one that I bought first, well, they are no longer selling on eBay. And here we go. So here's the other one that I bought. Now you look at this R. Look at that, these gaps. This will never be straight on the truck. Never, ever, 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 ever. I gotta return this one. This took just over 2 weeks to get. This came in a different package, so I don't have the label, but I will highly suggest that you buy GM only on the Silverado badges. It's ridiculous. I know when you buy from China, that's what you come to expect. Now, here's this one, came from BFE. This one I also bought on eBay, but this is just the RST badge. And this came out nice. I mean, it's a one piece. That could totally be done. I might just delete the Silverado badge completely. I would suggest just buying OEM if you're going to do the black. Just buy the OEM kit. Learn from my mistakes here. But this is, you should know. I mean, this stuff is coming from China. It's never going to be right. It looks good though. Like if you want to sit there and do each letter one by one, but I tell you, it's going to show up. So what I also got was the Silverado bed badges, and I have not opened this up yet. So let's open this up. Try for the camera angles while I open this. Very sorry. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Alright, so we got roulette. So we're going to keep this. We're going to keep that. We're going to return these. Wasted. So here's what I got also from eBay. That's totally doable. What do you think? I think that's going to look pretty good. And then if we just did the RST, so if we had this on the tailgate like this, I think it's going to look pretty sweet. And then just this, and then delete the Silverado badge that would go here. That might be the way that I go. Let me know your opinions on the China junk. I don't know if I'm going to link you to. I don't really want to link to them. I don't want you buying them. I don't want anybody buying them. That's junk. But we could do better. So look for the OEM. Okay, even though it's got the GM part number on there, I wish I had an OEM one here to show you what the difference was. just the surrounding piece on it is different. But I don't know, just you get what you pay for. I think I paid like 20 bucks for each piece here. These were only $40, which was by far the cheapest that I've seen, and that has me a little alarmed, but we'll see how that goes. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. We'll see how they lay on there. We got snow outside, so it's definitely not happening. I believe I'm going to be putting these on one by one piece at a time, so that way they're straight, and the tailgate is indented. But yeah, let me know if I should just delete the Silverado completely, the Silverado badge on the lower left of the tailgate, or if I should just seek out the GM OEM one. I feel like I would have to buy the full kit if I did that. But yeah, let me know what your opinions are, and then hopefully in the near future I'll put these on. There's been a lot going on, a lot of weather, and yeah, so there's no time for much of anything. But if you're following along on all my videos, then I will tell you that I have the 3.0 Duramax, as you know, because you've been following along on the videos. But I was at the dealer again. The truck completely broke, and I had to get that fixed. So I'm working on that video next. So stay tuned. I know, cliffhanger right there, huh? Short story, it had to get a new ECM and a new connector, and it's running again. And it's been in regen for over a week. So anyway, we'll talk about that one when I do that video. That's going to be a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. So yeah, like, subscribe, hit all the buttons, and you'll see what I got in store next. See ya.